Well, I am at a house in North Glen that I just bought on Friday. We put it under contract last Monday and then closed on Friday. So it was a real quick closing. We'll start the work here soon. Some things I want to show you. So here, there's a chunk of the foundation that's kind of fallen out underneath the bricks. There's no signs of any cracking on the way up. It came out. So we're gonna patch that back. This is not a structural issue in the fact that, you know, it's not like the property's gonna settle or come down because of that. It's not really a big deal, but it does need to be packed back in with new concrete to be reinforced. So you see something like that, don't let it scare you away from the deal. Also wanted to show you, if you look, there's kind of a high spot in the middle on the gutters, and then it goes both ways, which some of that is on purpose, right, where the gutter slopes down the fascia board. But in this particular case, it's exacerbated by the fact that the concrete slab has settled on this corner. So we're actually going to replace this column and lift this back up. You can see the crack there. It's kind of settled. So we're going to fix that settling and make that look nicer. So I thought I'd show you our plan for the inside. We're gonna gut the kitchen, do a new kitchen. We're gonna take that wall out. We're gonna leave this wall to here to kind of hide the side of the refrigerator. But from this side of the door opening all the way to that corner, rip that out. So open the kitchen to the dining room. We're gonna add a light in here. It needs to be roughed in. There's no light that's hardwired in for the living room, so we're gonna fix that. We're gonna gut the bathrooms. There's this one and another one downstairs that I'll show you here in a sec. New light fixtures and new doors. So what's tough with this house is there's not a big swing in this neighborhood between the really nice houses and the ones that are more dated, right? So typically I wouldn't remodel a house in this neighborhood, right? Just normally paint and carpet. But this particular house is, it's beat up enough that I really don't have a choice, right? If it was in a little better shape, I could get away without doing so much and sell it at a lower price. But instead here, we're gonna spend somewhere around $75,000 on remodel and get slightly more than that back out in the sales price. It's not quite at the level I need it to be an FHA buyer, right? If it was more livable and I could sell it to somebody that kind of would take a dated house that was a little beat up, I would do that. But this house is just barely, you know, not quite livable. So we are gonna do the full renovation. It does have a newer furnace, which is nice. I think 2007, so 15 years old. They won't say it's at the end of its useful life. Water heater's newer, so we're good there. And yeah, so that's what's going on with this house. I look forward to showing it to you when we get, we're gonna rip this out. That's all gonna go away. Cabinet's gonna go away. These weird things that are protruding out from the wall that someone put in, we're gonna rip those out. We're gonna make this house look as normal as we possibly can. So I look forward to showing it to you again when we're done with the remodel. Thanks for watching.